Hello, my name is Sri Nagaprahala Pilukla. I am the creator of Episteme AI. And whenever I have used I have seen that large language models suffer from a dangerous architectural flaw known as confident hallucination, where it gives confidently says this is the right answer, even though when you verify it, it's a factually incorrect. Correct. So before we get started, I have a test we want to do. We have a prompt here on our screen and we have pasted into Google Gemini. Now Google Gemini will process the raw token and give us an answer. And you're wondering, is this correct or what? Like, can we verify these information as accurate? And and it del and you are wondering why does AI deliver with the linguistic certainty as if it is the verified truth? Well, that's because AI lacks something called metacognition. It literally does not know what it doesn't know because these models operate on next token probability, where it tries to predict the next token and from there make the answer. And also lacks an internal truth meter, meaning it can validate its answer and say, oh, sorry, this is an inaccurate answer, sorry about that. Yet, us humans treat AI as an omniscient oracle, like a prophet that for high stakes domain, like education, medicine, or law, where any mistake or unchecked error is very unacceptable and can lead to a lot of problems. And also, the modern AI solutions have just masked symptoms with heavy guardrails or prepackaged refusal, which results in a very unhelpful user experience. So I went back to the drawing board and have redesigned the cognitive architecture. So my first principle for Episteme AI is that safety and accuracy should be never hidden from our users. Rather an AI should practice active humility directly within the user experience. So here's an example what I mean. We have here the calibrated response and the overall calibration score and the confidence meter about how confident it is about, and then we have a sufficiency, certainty, and risk, so that the user knows how right or confident the AI is, how certain it is, or what are the risks behind it. And also it has a knowledge gaps or assumptions where it can make assumptions about what the user has queried, or the knowledge gaps where it doesn't know what where it doesn't know, like for example for bridge, like the data or the information about what type of steel. And then here's a calibrated response, like a TLDR summary for it. So let's test it out with the same same prompt here. And as soon as a user submits an answer. So our React frontend is hosted by Vercel, by the way. Secures HTTPS post requests directly across our lightweight Flask API engine, which is deployed through a Docker architecture on railways. And our railway can act as our backend along with the connection with the NVIDIA microservice pool, which is the API key which is hosted on both Vercel and Railway, and and logs the probabilities directly from the GPU hardware with minimal latency. And as soon as it does that, it calculates, and then the NVIDIA API key acts in the background, checks the fact sources, available knowledge, ensuring the inference or sound is not overread, and then our edge case risk assessment, which is in progress, recalculates the answer to make sure that we have a confident answer, and make sure it has a summary, and then tries to give you the accurate answer along with our knowledge gaps and a resolution plan. From there, the user can read the assumptions or knowledge or the plan for like what to do in the near future, and then it gives us a confidence score here. Mm, Confidence score here, and then here on the side we also have asking questions where we can ask another question for you, and then we just directly submit the answer, and then it calculates everything and then gives you a confidence score. By bridging, because by bridging this gap behind raw probability and epistemic humility, we are not just building another smart AI chatbot that just gives you generic AI stuff. We are building a more honest one. So, what I would like for you to do is go to knowable.vercel.app and give it a try with the where we have our live demo most where you can test out the questions and then get a response and also ask your own questions. And disclaimer, this do not trust whatever the AI said. Do your own research before trusting an AI. Alright, thank you very much and have a great day.